Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Wallet app not working. First, go to your device settings, tap Apps or App Management, then search for Google Wallet and tap on it. Tap Permissions. Make sure important permissions like location, NFC, and nearby devices are set to allow. Still in the app information screen, tap Storage, tap Clear Cache, and optional, tap Clear Data. Note, this will log you out and reset app settings. Next, update the app. Open the Google Play Store, search Google Wallet. If an update button appears, tap it to install the latest version. Next, restart your phone. A quick restart can help refresh the system and fix minor issues. After completing the steps, your Google Wallet should work smoothly again. And that's it. That's how to fix Google Wallet app not working. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.